Alright guys, we're here at Home Depot of garage door openers. You can see the sign. You can see the different types, like chain drive, screw drive, belt drive, steel chain for extra strength and durability. Oh, there's a lots of stuff with garage door openers. Here is Chamberlain garage door openers. This one includes two remotes, two safety sensors, wall button, and one button. I don't know what is this. Can you tell me on the comments of that? Here's a new garage door opener right there. Excuse me. Here is two remotes, safety sensors, a dual function wall control, and a wireless keypad. Let's look at these supplies around here. First, this is the safety sensors of Chamberlain, and this is the keychain remote. Like this comes for Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman. There's another one right there.
Hurry up, Lenny.
Okay, let me look at this.
Don't put a string on top.
I don't know. There's a one button remote. I seen this like from Craftsman. Remember that? Just like this is a one button. This is a three button. That looks like Craftsman. It could be work for Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman. But if the Craftsman logo is not right there, but if you remove the mic here, turn it to Craftsman. I seen those in Google. Here's a garage door wireless keypad. There's two new universal remotes. There's Genie Universal Series remotes. This is the wall console. Wireless keypad from Genie. This is an old wall button and some light bulbs, safety sensors, a wireless keypad, and an old remote right there. This is the Genie garage door opener. There's Genie belts. I think there's belts or chain. I think that looks like belts. This is the belt. This one is the chain. Ow. There's the ascension springs. Let me stop.
No, Fato.
That's the rollers for the garage door. They're up and down. Just a lot of stuff. Alright guys, thank you for watching. We'll see you there until the next video.